Coach Summer Huntington here from FlowShala headquarters, checking in with you from the Pacific Northwest, and I have the key to success for you to add to your training to get both strong and lean. It's called Meal Prep 101. What is meal prep? What's the purpose of it? It's the act of creating meals to consume for the week ahead in an efficient and fun and entertaining way. Get access to my 12-video follow-along video course plus shopping guide that will help you understand the missing link between thinking you're eating well and actually eating smarter. Save money, save time, get enough protein to feel full, and get leaner. My Meal Prep 101 course is designed to help anyone understand the principles of eating smarter so you can get the results you've wanted for years.
Root veggies, okay, let's cut them.
Yes, root veggies. So which are root veggies, Case?
Well, we got some beets right here.
I specialize in helping everyday people understand how to eat the right nutrient-dense foods at the right times to optimize their training. I've taken hundreds of people through this meal prep guide, and people generally report less bloating, less brain fog, more energy, and generally inches lost around the middle when they commit to regular meal prepping. In my Meal Prep 101 course, I'll teach you how to balance your smart carbs, your proteins, and your veggies, and balance them with healthy fats, which is the key to success. And you're also going to be incorporating lots of foods that really improve your gut health. You'll get a shopping list and recipe guide, plus 12 multi-angle videos teaching you how to get the most out of meal prepping. We give you a framework that you can adapt and make your own. I'll teach you the principles in the course to balance your proteins, smart carbs, and veggies with healthy fats and foods to improve gut health. This is the exact format I use for myself and my clients. Plus, we filmed it live here at the FlowShala kitchen, and we actually filmed this course with a co-host, Casey, who's a local entrepreneur and light artist of Sensibellum, and he uses meal prep on the regular, and he is such an awesome co-host and gives you a lot of empowering knowledge and quick tips, and we really optimized this and dialed it in so that you can take the guesswork out of meal prep and get started now.